You're very welcome here to Courtown Riverchapel. Today we had our town centre first consultation. This morning we had great numbers out doing a walk and talk and getting views in relation to Courtown Riverchapel.
Courtown is a great place to live and work, and I feel the walkabout today with the town's team was really beneficial. Great ideas coming, and that's what we want to see from our community.
Today in Courtown we had the walk around. We started here in the square. We kind of walked on discussing about community, the national heritage, education, the LTI, everything that we can with the community centre, the proposals, everything that we need for our community. So we had a walk up to Riverchapel and then back down and discussing the businesses. We have over 30 businesses in Courtown Riverchapel, and again it's all about sustainability, and this is what we need, the investment in this area here. We need to get the beach back and bring the investment and the tourism back into Courtown.
We welcome today as an insight into what could be done, because it's an amazing area, and in the years to come hopefully it'll get more amazing.
So this morning was incredibly inspiring, with the local business owners from Tarabi coming here, from residents that have come to retire in this beautiful place and have so much knowledge and so much ideas to share. So it was lovely to see all the places that are a little bit tricky to navigate between Courtown and Riverchapel, the pathways that might be better if they're a bit bigger. But it was good to see that there is a thirst and an appetite to get this community what it needs.
I suppose Town Centre Force is just absolutely brilliant, because it's going to give us an opportunity to get all the things that Courtown needs to bring it back to life. I mean, it's such a fabulous place. We have the sea, you know, it's just, I met been talking to 3 young children there, and they said what they would like for Courtown is they want somewhere safe to swim, they want a beach, and they want sand. And that says it in a nutshell.
We had a very productive morning. We had our walkabout. We went from the harbour in Courtown up to Riverchapel and back again, and we looked at a lot of the issues that were identified initially by the town team, such as heritage, natural heritage and built heritage. We looked at local business, community, housing issues, etc. The whole range. We got a lot of feedback, and we're going to record all of that feedback and try to organise it. And this afternoon we're looking at some of the issues and opportunities that are there, and we're going to see if we can work towards some priorities for Courtown and Riverchapel Town Centre.
It really did open my mind as to the possibilities of what we could do here in Courtown to make things better. And I loved the idea that we could go along and follow the river bank and the river right up as far as Riverchapel, I think, and make a little walkway there. And it's possible, and I really hope that happens.
Yes, this morning's activities are a huge support for the regeneration of Courtown, and activities like this and the work put into it by Wexford County Council will ensure that it is driven on so that it will be delivered.
I had a great morning down here, very informative at the Courtown First Plan, getting the locals' views, learned an awful lot, some great ideas out there. Hopefully some of it can come to fruition very soon.
The workshop now is ended now, folks, and we have all listened. We will be now bringing all your ideas to the table. So we're looking forward to implementing as many of these things as we can, and we'll be back in due course with the answers.
Thanks to everyone for coming this afternoon and this morning. We got fantastic feedback and fantastic crowds attended. So look, again, for those that haven't had the opportunity to come, we'd invite you to go to wexfordco.ie and go onto the online portal and share your views in relation to what you think is good for Courtown Riverchapel.